amicable solution, a legal solution is also what he called it. Now, some pilots say that they are not aware of the fact that Girish Kaushik might meet up with Naresh Goyal, and they say that they've not been informed about this. Though there have been a total of 4 pilots who now have been, whose services have been terminated by the airline. First, of course, was Captain Sam Thomas and Captain Balaraman, and then last night there were 2 other pilots whose services were terminated. Jet Airways, for its part, has been much better prepared, as you said, this time around. Yesterday, many flights were cancelled. There was a lot of chaos and commotion. Very little of that today. Most passengers have been accommodated on flights of other airlines.
In fact, the situation was better at the Delhi airport as well. We had Tanima Biswas who gave us an update earlier.
We are here at the Jet Airways counter at the Delhi airport. A number of people, as you can see, who have landed up at the counter to find out how they are being accommodated or what exactly is happening to their tickets, since at least 13 flights have been cancelled so far today. We'll just go across to some of them. Sir, आपका नाम?
अनुज।
सर, आप बताइए कि आपको क्या बोला गया, आपका टिकट कब का था?
टिकट मेरा कल का था, सुबह शाम को 6:30 बजे दिल्ली से बैंगलोर, और अगले दिन में मुझे ऑफिस ज्वाइन करना था, लेकिन इट वाज कैंसल्ड ड्यू टू दिस पायलट स्ट्राइक. एंड व्हेन आई कॉल्ड द कस्टमर केयर, दे हैव बीन टोल्ड दैट इट्स बीन कैंसल्ड फॉर 2 days. You can reschedule after that. Otherwise, you can refund. When I asked for the refund, they said you will get some less amount, not the full amount. So now they are asking, you can contact the vendor agent from where I booked the ticket, and you can get the full refund.
As you can see, a lot of people are still are not being accommodated in other flights, and they are, of course, being the help desk was also closed for a short while earlier in the morning, and as even people are asking for refunds, that is also taking a little bit of time. In New Delhi, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.
In other news, the Prime Minister, speaking at a conference on rural development, said that there need to be more schemes launched for rural India, as rural India needs to be part of the growth story.
We have now been implementing NREGA for the past 5 years. Important